You didn't think you would ever come back to me, my girl. You were supposed to find a new path for yourself. My girl, please at least speak honestly to me, so I can also find a new path for myself, my girl. All the good times belong to you. I'm not strong enough to let go of my thoughts. The memories stay with me, everlasting memories. 16 years have already passed. You kept saying you would come back to me, but I said it very seriously, my girl. Because you left me for such a long time. That's why I don't love you anymore. Only the memories of you remain, my girl. All the good times belong to you. I'm not strong enough to let go of my thoughts. The memories stay with me, everlasting memories. For a very long time you left me. Now you're listening to everything about me. You didn't think you would return to me, my girl. You were supposed to find a new path for yourself. My girl, please at least speak honestly to me, so I can also find a new path for myself, my girl. All the good times belong to you. I'm not strong enough to let go of my thoughts. The memories stay with me, everlasting memories. All the good times belong to you. I'm not strong enough to let go of my thoughts. The memories